and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will help you fix the "you've been logged out" issue on Instagram. First, check if your account has been hacked or if there has been any suspicious activity. This could cause Instagram to log you out as a security measure. To do this, log back in and go to your profile. Go to Settings, tap on Security, and then Login Activity. Review the list of devices and locations where your account has been accessed. If you see any logins that you don't recognize, tap the three dots next to them and select Logout. If you found suspicious logins, it's a good idea to change your password immediately to secure your account. To change your password, go back to Security, tap Password, and enter your current password, followed by a new and strong password. Make sure it's something unique that you haven't used before. Next, enable two-factor authentication. Adding an extra layer of security can prevent unauthorized access and avoid the logged out issue. Go to Settings, select Security, then two-factor authentication, and follow the steps to set it up using SMS or an authentication app. Once enabled, even if someone gets your password, they won't be able to log in without the verification code sent to your phone. Next, update your Instagram. Head to the Google Play Store and search for Instagram and check for any available updates. Keeping the app updated ensures you have the latest bug fixes and security improvements. Update the app and then restart it to see if it resolves the issue. Finally, reinstall the app. Try uninstalling and reinstalling Instagram. This can fix any deep-rooted issues that might be causing the app to log you out. Head to the Google Play Store or App Store, uninstall Instagram, and then reinstall it. Once reinstalled, log back in and see if the problem is resolved. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the "you've been logged out" issue on Instagram. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.